welcome back to my channel. I am back. I am feeling so refreshed and like my creativity is back, kind of. Still a little bit rusty. Originally, I just wanted to do a scorpion tail liner, and then Oliver, my son, was like, well, you should put the body on the other eye. And it was an incredible idea, but I did not do it justice. I mean, you get the point, but I didn't. Maybe next time. I tried almost a whole face of new products in this video and found so many amazing things. Wow. Thank you guys for all of the sweetness on my last video and participating in my It's Likely No Makeup hashtag. That was the coolest thing ever. If you'd like to see me struggle, then keep watching. Trying to film right now is probably a terrible, terrible idea. Both my kids are home. This might not go well. I have a whole bunch of new stuff to try. I'm really excited. First, I'm gonna prime with my Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer, which is almost gone. This is my forever favorite. All I've done is put primer on and my face is already covered in glitter. If you guys saw my little area right now, you would be appalled. I am appalled. This is a disgusting mess. After I'm done with this look, I will be cleaning this area. Maybe. For foundation, I have a new cushion foundation. This is a cruelty-free brand called McQueen. It's called McQueen in New York, but it is a Korean brand. The packaging is adorable. It's got a nice big mirror. Hopefully the color is okay. Korean makeup doesn't have, from what I've seen, a very extensive shade range. The finish is nice. I think it's gonna be a tiny bit too dark, but that's okay. We'll make it work. It smells lovely. Not super full coverage, but enough to make my skin look a little bit better. Fucking glitter. I love the finish, it's so dewy. This has SPF 50 in it. It's one of my favorite things about all of the Korean skincare and makeup. It's really high in SPF. It just looks like skin. It doesn't look like I have anything on it. This is another Korean product from YesStyle. This brand is called Barisom, another cruelty-free brand. This is an Oops Dual Contouring and Highlighting Liquid Concealer. One's for under eye brightening and one's for concealing. So this is the brightening side. Ooh. I love the little foot, soft and bendy. And I'm just going to blend it out with my beauty blender. Taking the excess product from the blender and putting it in other areas to highlight. It's not super full coverage, but it looks nice. I'm wondering if maybe you're meant to put this down and then the concealer on top. The concealer end is a little bit darker, so I don't want to use a ton. So this isn't the right shade for me to highlight and conceal with, but the finish is amazing. I'm gonna see what happens if I go in again with the eye brightening side. Hopefully this doesn't get incredibly cakey. It's quite a thin formula, I think we'll be okay. So maybe it just needs to be the other way around. Okay, that looks so good. I think I am in love with this concealer. My under eye looks pretty flawless and bright and lovely. So this is the same brand, Barisom, and it's another dual-ended thing, but this one is a highlight and a contour. I swatched this on my hand and it's not shiny or anything. I just like the eye brightening side. So I'm not gonna use this side, but I am gonna use the contouring side. It looks like a beautiful light cool tone brown. It's kind of thick. I'm gonna use the Pro 1M. All right, so a little goes a long way. It looked a lot more cool toned when I first applied it. Blended out, it is kind of warm. That's quite nice. I am gonna try the highlighting side just out of curiosity. It's a thinner consistency. Ooh. I like. Don't think I need a whole lot. It's a little brown rainbow. I will say it's not the easiest to blend out, but it's not the worst. I'm not gonna worry too much about my hairline because I'm gonna put on a wig, a little jawline sculpting. I'm gonna set this with my Kat Von D Lock It Translucent Powder. Oh, that was too much, that was too much. Do a little bit of baking. The only kind of baking I do. I'm gonna have to be really careful not to use too much product because a lot did go a long way. A lot went a long way? What does that even mean? A little went a long way. Hopefully this isn't too much product. I wiped a lot off the little foot. Just carefully blending my nose contour. I'm kind of pinching the Beauty Blender and making a little Beauty Blender in my hands so it's more precise. And then I'll bounce over it with the back for some extra blendage. It is a little bit hard to blend on the nose. The color is all right. I'm gonna go on with the highlighting side. Do the tip and down the center. And a little bit down the sides. Got a little bit dark. Dried kind of quickly. Gotta work fast. It's not like the most blended nose contour ever. I would like it to be a little bit more blended, but it's not budging anymore, which is a good thing because this will probably last really well. Now I just gotta set this with some powder. We'll bake the sides and the highlighted center and tip. Can you just look at my under eye though? This looks so good. I'm not gonna bake this for too long because my nose was feeling slightly dry. For brows, I'm gonna use a product that I am insanely excited about. I feel like this product is long overdue. The Kat Von D 24-Hour Super Brow in Bleach. I'm using the Pro 1L, which is actually a lip brush from my Furless brush kit because my brow brush is dirty and I'm not contaminating this. No way. It's covering my brow hairs pretty good. I think I'm gonna pick up more product and see if I really cake it on there or what happens. Comb this through. Oh, it does dry down. It stuck to my skin really well. I think I need to use a lighter hand to get it to stick on the eyebrow hairs. If that makes any sense. And just lightly brush it on top of my eyebrows, not really into my eyebrows. And then I'm gonna comb it through again. I feel like this would work better if it was in a tube and it had a spoolie. And you just brush it on with a wand instead of painting over the eyebrow hairs. This brow is going better. You do need to pick up more product. than I was the first time around. And it seems to work better if you comb it out before the product dries. This one's coating all the hairs better. Oh yeah, that one went way better. I'm not even gonna do another layer of product. Something that I don't dabble in very often is graphic liner. I don't know why I don't. I love to draw, I love makeup. It seems like a really good way to put them together, but I find it incredibly intimidating. So that is what we're going to do today. I want to do like a scorpion tail as my wing. I'm starting in the middle. Their tails are in like little sections. I don't know the proper term. Oh, I should tell you, I'm using the Smashbox, what is this, Always On liquid eyeliner. I really like the tip. Super precise. The little hunk that holds on the stinger seems to be larger than the rest. And the stinger is terrifying. Now that I've got the shape mapped out with this, I'm gonna use a different liner to kind of fill it in and clean it up. This is the NYX Epic Ink liner, and it's just a little bit more liquid. And it's really super black. I've got some concealer on this lip brush again, same one I use for my brows. I just want to round. Clean up these little sections. The kids came to see my liner and Ollie had an excellent idea that is going to make my life so much harder. Tell them your idea.
I saw a scorpion tail, so I said you should do the other half of the scorpion on the other eye.
Like the whole body.
Yeah, and the clippers.
And now I feel like I have to.
You really do.
It looks like a screaming bird lobster claws. I'm not super happy with his little legs, but they're gonna have to do because fixing that, that would be too much work. Realistically, I should have sketched this on my face with like a shadow or something and planned it out. We're just going for it. I gave this one kind of a little point on the end to kind of make it a liner shape. All right, I don't hate him that much. I guess you can stay. You win some, you lose some. Okay, now I'm gonna finish my face. I've got a new blush to try. I haven't tried these yet. These are the new Melt blushes. This one's called Nevermore and it's a really shiny, pretty pink. Using the Pro 2F. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so pretty. These are blush lights, so it's almost like a blush and highlight in one, which I think is genius. And then to highlight, I've got the new Gold School Metal Crush Extreme Highlighter by Kat Von D. Also haven't touched this at all, haven't swatched it. I'm excited. Here's what it looks like up close. Using the Pro 5F. Oh, it's so pretty. It's filled with little flecks of gold glitter. Look at that shine. Super, super glittery. But I think this would work on like any skin tone, which is cool. I'm gonna kind of put this all over the lid. I'm gonna add some Cosmic Kitten lashes by Rouge and Rogue. If you need some lashes, these are my favorite. You can use my code It's Likely Makeup for a discount. Now I'm gonna add some of my new favorite mascara. This is the Kush mascara from Milk Makeup. I am obsessed. I love Milk Makeup. I love what they're about. I love their products. Killing it. This eye is actually really pretty. I would have made this a lot bigger if I knew that I was going to end up drawing a whole ass bug on the other side of my face. A bug? Are they a bug? Yeah. Yeah? For the lips, just because I want to try this red from the gold 10-year anniversary collection from Kat Von D. Gonna go red. Wow, it's so pretty. Throw on a wig. This choker is from D'Andre. This is the Momsen wig from trendywigs.com. You can use my code JD35 for 35% off if you're looking to get some wigs. I really hope you guys try to recreate this look. You'll probably do it better than me. I almost want to try this again because this is a mess, but that's okay. It's still a cool look. This is cool, everyday liner. And I have a new favorite concealer, which is huge. I'm really excited about that. I will link all the products down below if you're looking for the stuff I used, and I will see you guys in the next video.